Fire 2 plus 1 behind landing 747, short flight then to 26 left, that Charlie behind.
Fire 2, 26 left,
6 behind landing 747, enter 26 left, that Delta behind.
Fire 6 behind landing 747, enter 26 left, that Delta behind. Now fire 3.
Fire 3 down.
Fire 3 plus 1, position 26 left, once the motor traffic has come to a stop, wherever that may be.
Fire 3, roger, report you.
Go ahead.
That's 1 tower.
All received, left side port, smoking, undercarriage.
That's 1, roger.
7 with 26 left, close that time 15:46.
Roger, 26 left, close time 1546. Fire 3, enter runway 26 left, via Foxtrot Romeo.
Fire 3 plus 1, entering 26 threshold.
Virgin 43, okay, can you see any smoke on the right side?
Virgin 43 Echo, at the moment you're right into sun. I can't see anything from here, but if you contact the fire service 121.6, they're on team.
It's on tilt, the engine's maybe 2 metres above the gear is up.
Tower leader 4 plus 3, holding us Yankee 1 will be control, then Yankee control.
Leader 4 plus 3, cross runway 26 left now from Yankee to Charlie.
Then now Yankee Charlie, leader 4 plus 3.
Balanced the whole plane on that 3 gear, with the right gear up.
Leader 5.
The whole plane is balanced, it's like tilted to the right, but other than that, it's absolutely perfect landing, there'll be no damage yet.
Leader 5 plus 4, enter runway 26 left.
Not yet, no evacuation.
Leader 4 plus 3, roger.
They make, yeah, absolutely normal, like, yeah, I mean, he bounced it pretty well.
Tower Ops 1. Ops 1.
So permission to enter runway 26 left.
Ops 1 tower into 26 left.
Enter 26 left, Ops 1.
Got emergency steps there which came out when I come back.
Yeah.
I noticed a convoy of about 10 vehicles come
Yeah,
from
yeah,
the other end of the airport.
You
I don't know, engineering vehicles.
You won't see a better landing than that in that situation. You really won't. Look at the
I
engines.
thought it was quite close for flaps to touch them with.
It was very close, but the whole time it was all completely controlled. Aileron to the left, as you said, he's absolutely greased it. Engine's going down now. Yeah, that's what I was hoping for. That's what I was hoping for.
Tower leader 4 plus 3 again, permission to re-enter 26
I'm not going to
left.
lie, I'm a bit disappointed.
Leader 4 plus 3, enter runway 26 left.
Fox Romeo into 26 left, leader 4 plus 3.
A little bit of leaning, but apart from that, that was it, yeah. It's absolutely mental. You turn the engines off now, it'll be a full evacuation.
That's good. Are you going? You're not going to get any of the after?
No, we're going to be the first one to get something up.
Yeah.
That's, I mean, he's perfect, really, isn't it? It's absolutely perfect landing. He somehow balanced the whole aircraft on those 3 wheels. As you said, he's probably put more fuel into left tanks.
Yeah.
And full left aileron as it slowed down as well. Which, I mean, he's even got it straight down the centre line.
That's good.
That's unbelievable landing that was.
Or she, might be a she.
Or she. Well, I think the captain on the thing was a
Oh,
bloke.
of course it was, yeah.
I think it was a bloke, yeah. It might be the...